Up next on the channel, the secret holiday box swap. Hello again everyone, my name is Misty Nicole with LadyPrefersToSave.com. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a holiday inspired box swap. This collab was created by Ingrid of Mommy and Mia Homeschool Chronicles, so be sure to check the description bar below after watching this video to check out Ingrid's channel, as well as the channel description for my swap box partner. And with that said, let's get started unboxing. Let's see who this is from. We've got cutting myself. First thing inside the box is this really pretty note that says, I hope this package finds you well. I loved spying on you and your channel. We share so many of the same favorite things. Scriptures, mugs, Grove Collaborative, candles, life, etc. I love learning how you make natural sprays with essential oils, and you're so thoughtful in the way that you take care of the earth. I hope that you will like these gifts. It was so much fun collecting items for you. I hope that they may give to you and your family, and have a wonderful Merry Christmas. By the way, I'm Toshiba from the Joyful Warrior Homeschool channel. I live in San Antonio, Texas, and I almost forgot to put my name. Thank you so much, Toshiba. I have seen your channel before as part of our Facebook group, and I am very thankful for you sending everything. So let's see what it's in. So first thing, chalkboard clip labels, which are great for people like me who have a propensity to label everything unnecessarily. And pocket sleeves, which will be great for my planner. My friend Melissa from Plaid Fuzz, the House of Plaid Fuzz actually, I will also leave her channel below. She has some awesome planner videos, so I will definitely be checking out some more of her videos and adding that to my stash. Because can you ever have too big of a coffee cup? Probably not. I am now up to probably 5 or 6 cups of coffee a day, which, you know, probably not healthy, but it is the truth. Let's see. That looks like an awesome read, and Toshiba left me a really nice note that says, I really love Holly's writing. She is such a breath of fresh air, praying for you and your TTC journey. So that is awesome, and I really appreciate that. And a candle. I love cinnamon and kind of earthy scent, so that's really nice. I really appreciate that. I actually don't have a Lush. Actually, I live where there's nothing. There's absolutely nothing. There's no Target, there's no Trader Joe's. It's a little devoid. So I am super excited to have something from Lush, and I love that they are a cruelty-free store. So super excited about that. Because what's better than beauty products? They're a little bit ethical too. Things from Grove Collaborative. If everyone hasn't tried this, this is an awesome company. They are a Corp B company, and so most of their products are fair trade and fair sourced, and a lot of them are post-recycled in makeup, so it's a great company if you haven't checked them out. And these walnut sponges are awesome. I actually use them on a lot of my small appliances, so I'm really appreciative of that. And from my favorite brand of cleaners, Mrs. Meyer's, I love this in the basil. It smells really good. These are really nice coming here. And this one was better. And let's see. another lovely note. I know we both love, love, love Grove, but have you tried Lush? Here's a natural bar soap that I hope you will enjoy. Merry Christmas. I actually had not tried Lush until another one of my favorite YouTubers actually sent me some things from Lush, and that is Mr. Christopher Cupcakes. I will also link his channel below, and he was lovely enough to send me some things that lasted for quite some time, and now I'm a total fan of the store. So I've ordered from them a couple times, but it is always nice to receive those things because, again, the closest store is about 3 or 4 hour drive from my home. And last but not least, aren't these adorable? I like the shine on them. So that is it in my box. I am so thankful to Shiva. Thank you so much again. This is so amazing. I'm going to leave her channel also in the description bar below. Again, this is a holiday swap box. Thank you so much again to Shiva. I am really grateful, and thank you again to Ingrid from Mommy and Mia Homeschool Chronicles for putting this together. All of the information and the other channels that I mentioned will be in the description bar below. So now I want to open it up to everyone. Are you in any swap groups, or do you have anything at work or other parties and things that you do swaps with, or a tradition that you have at home, or maybe a white elephant party? Be sure to leave me a comment below and let me know. And as always, I would love it if you'd hit that little red subscribe button. Make sure to turn on notifications. Again, leave me a comment. And as always, please be kind to yourself and to others. And thank you so much.